Have you got lots of lavender in your garden? You've cut some to bring indoors and the scent is absolutely amazing, but using it as a cut flower, the lavender will eventually die. Have you thought of making a lavender bottle? That way you can preserve the lavender to enjoy during the winter months. I'm Julie from Julie Davis Flower Workshops and Flower Start, the online flower arranging classes. For this project you're going to need some lavender, ribbon, thin ribbon. I've got raffia here as I couldn't find any thin ribbon, and a pair of scissors just to trim everything at the end. So I'm just going to take one of these pieces of raffia and put that to one side, and then with the lavender you're probably only going to need 6 or 7 flower heads. I'll put them together in my hand. I'm going to try and get them approximately the same length. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've got plenty there to make some more lavender bottles another time. So bunching the lavender together, I'm going to get rid of all these side shoots and bits of leaf. I just want long straight stems. And then with my piece of raffia, I'm going to bind that round, and basically I'm tying a knot just to get started. Like so. And then holding the little bunch upside down so the heads are towards me, I'm going to bend down these stems. Now this is the reason why it's really important to use fresh lavender. If you used dry lavender, the stems would break at this point. So it's a bit like having the spokes of a bicycle, and then leaving your short tail to run through the head of the lavender. I'm going to take the long tail and weave in and out. So this is quite tricky to start with. So going over and under, over, under, over, under. Keep going all the way around. So it will take you a few turns before you get into the routine. So it's quite therapeutic just working your way around. So once you've got the first few done, see more easily. Under, over the next one, under, over the next one, under, and round you go. You just keep going round and round, and you'll soon get into a rhythm of putting your raffia or your slim ribbon under and over. So I'm flicking the stems out with my fingers and moving round, and then you get the characteristic little stripes and stitches going around the edge. And then round the last few stems until you reach the base of the flower heads. Then when you've done all your weaving right down to the base of the flowers, I'll hold on to the flowers and hide them with my hand, and take the piece of ribbon or raffia you've been binding with and wrap it round to finish off. And then with that long piece of raffia you had, remember you tied it at the top and you left a single piece of the ribbon or raffia at the bottom, use that then to finish off, tie a bow. I'm going to give it a double knot because the raffia might come undone. You can imagine if you'd use a little narrow satin ribbon, that would just look beautiful. And then trim off the ends of the raffia, and then finally trim all the stems to length, and there you have the finished lavender bottle. So I would put that in my underwear drawer, or you could use the ribbon and hook it over your hanger and keep your clothes fresh in the wardrobe. hang it up near your bed at home so you could, you know, help you sleep more easily at night. So I do hope you've enjoyed that video, learning how to convert your fresh lavender and have it dried to enjoy for longer at home. If you have, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you hit the notification bell, you'll get a little message to let you know each time I upload a new video. I shall see you another time.